You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Still dealing with some warm temperatures today. The high 28 degrees, but humidity going to make that feel more like 37 in terms of the forecast. Mix of sun and clouds for much of the afternoon, early afternoon. Into the evening, we could see a risk of some thunder showers as well. Continuing overnight, our futurecast images here showing us that mix of sun and clouds and then that potential for a thunderstorm. But the weekend is looking nice and mild with lots of sunny conditions to end our week into our weekend there. Belleville today, high of 29 degrees, going to feel more like 36. Again, you've got that risk for a thunder shower. Your Saturday and your Sunday both looking like sunny conditions there with a high of 25 for both days. Rockville, you're still under a heat warning advisory today. A high of 29. It's going to feel like 40 with that humidity there, and also windy conditions gusting up to 40 kilometers per hour. And your weekend, very similar, is going to be more mild. So humidity going to feel like 28 tomorrow, but that is lower than what we've been seeing. Smiths Falls, similar there to Brockville. Heat warning in effect. High of 30 degrees, going to feel like 39 today. Saturday and Sunday, highs of 24 and sunny conditions. Now, Kingston's 5-day forecast here now showing us that our weekend's looking quite nice into Monday as well. Tuesday, we could see some more active weather. A high of 28 degrees today, going to feel like 37. That humidity breaks for the weekend. Our Humidex going to make it feel like 28, so not that much warmer on your Saturday. Sunday, a high of 24, 25 for your Monday. Both days seeing mild conditions. Tuesday, as I was mentioning before, looking like we could see some active weather.
Yeah, still a little on the sticky side out there, but it's going to change soon. Highs from the west moving in to clear it up nicely. It'll be a pure blue sky tomorrow, and it's going to last for a few days with humidity down and the temperature back where it kind of should be. There's seasonal just below that. Yeah, today was quite sticky. 28 in Kingston at Norman Rogers Airport for a daytime high today, and it was probably more like a 30 away from Norman Rogers, away from the water, and that's what they had up through Brockville, Smiths Falls, in Ottawa, just near 30 or 30, and everybody felt about 10 degrees warmer than that. Yeah, 9 or 10 point spread between the actual temperature and just how warm it felt. So if a lot of these temperatures that were near 30 felt near 40. In Kingston today, it almost felt like a 40. Southwest winds about 22 kilometers per hour. So we haven't shifted gears yet. Those winds of change are going to take over through the overnight and in the morning, becoming more westerly. And they might at times actually become more northwesterly with some real crisp, dry air aloft that will move in and change things. The cold front pushing through tonight with the chance of showers and thunderstorms, and that's probably going to help bring some relief to the area. Just a trace last night, not a whole lot, and we are looking at, here comes the relief. There goes the disturbance with its cold front. There was a couple lows sort of moving up along northeast, along the eastern seaboard. High pressure coming in right behind it. That's going to clear it up nicely, and we probably won't see much active weather at all for several days, and any wet weather you do see next week will likely be remnants of Tropical Storm Fred. We'll take a quick look at him in just a moment too. So this is where we are tonight, and this is why we're saying the chance of showers, risk of thunderstorms. Wouldn't be surprised to see some areas in southern and eastern Ontario get some watches and warnings as this moves through. But by morning, we see it come to an end. It clears up in the morning, and then yeah, free and clear. Very nice, drier air. Temperatures coming, not rising very high again throughout the day. And how's Fred doing? Well, Fred, it almost looks as if Tropical Storm Fred is trying to avoid Florida. He's sort of going around it, but it will get to Mississippi early Monday morning with sustained winds at about 65 kilometers per hour. Once it gets through Mississippi and sort of goes around the Carolinas, it'll be right back down to just low pressure, not a tropical storm anymore, post-tropical, and it may send us some clouds and some showers for next week. We've got 2 to 3 days next week. It could be a little wet. 25 for a high tomorrow in Belleville with sunshine. Those northwest winds, yes, nice, cool, dry air coming in at about 30 km. gray at times, 20 to 30. Sunday, mainly sunny, high 24. You rise to 26 on Monday, mostly cloudy conditions. And Brockville up to 25 with a mix of sun and cloud. Those northwest winds about 20 km. Sunday, sunny with a high 24. For Monday, mostly cloudy and a high 26. You'll get some cloud coverage, but not a whole lot. Smiths Falls, you are looking at a high 24 and northwest winds about 20 km. Sunday, sunny with a high 24. You rise to 26 on Monday. The seasonal average for the Kingston area is about a 25 and about a 26 for Smiths Falls. So not bad at all. Kingston, yeah, relief on the way. It all takes place overnight. Tomorrow, a much better day. Sunday looking good too with seasonal highs. Monday up to 25, and you'll see some cloud increasing. By Tuesday, we're into the chance of some showers and light rain. For Wednesday, we might actually see a thunderstorm as a result of this as temperatures and humidity start to climb a little bit again. So enjoy the relief you're getting now. Here's your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam since 1962 with same-day delivery.
This one's from Karen Shack again in Ckws. Yeah, lovely hummingbird moving in for a little sip. If you are feeding the hummingbirds, make sure you clean out those feeders. I heard recently that somebody, one of our viewers, discovered a hummingbird in distress. A growth can occur in those feeders, and it can cause a fungus buildup in their mouth, and they'll starve to death if you don't keep those feeders clean. So please do. It's nice to have them coming by too.
Yeah, I saw my first hummingbird just a few days ago, Bill.
Oh,
all
nice.
Summer long, waited to see one, and then just boom, they're very elusive, right?
Yes.
And they're very fast, obviously, and they don't hang around very long.
No, they get in, they get the drink, and they go.
Yeah.
And they come back in a couple minutes, get another drink. You know, they need to keep replenishing to sustain through the day. They burn a lot of energy. See how fast those wings move.
Yes, well, a lot of people, I'm sure, are drinking this week, Bill. Lots of water to keep their cool with this unrelenting heat wave that's been, just 5 days in a row now. But as you mentioned, there is change in the air,
It will
right?
relent tonight. It's all going to change.
I noticed, too, the wind's direction makes all the difference, too. So out of the northwest, is that?
Yes, westerly and then northwesterly at times, yeah. It's going to be nice.
We will look for that refreshing change and the 7-day forecast coming up later. Thanks, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
The chance of showers and thunderstorms is waning. We hope to see that wrap up overnight, and by morning, some clearing as high pressure moves in. We're going to get into a westerly flow, drier air, the humidity's coming down, the temperature isn't going to rise quite as high, and we've got lots of sunshine for the weekend. It might actually continue for a couple days into your work week, too. Summer's not over yet. You know, those temperatures are probably going to climb a little bit again as late next week we'll see them back up to a 27 with about a 5-point spread in Humidex. But yeah, the worst of it, this week-long heat wave is now done. Belleville, sunny, a high 25 tomorrow. You'll be up to 24 on Sunday with mostly sunny conditions. And then Monday, some cloud coverage, a high of about 26. Brockville, sunny for a couple days with seasonal highs up to 26 Monday. And you've got that increase in cloud as well. Smiths Falls, sunshine for a couple days with highs of 24. Come Monday, a high 26 and a mix of sun and cloud. And in Kingston, it is sunshine over Saturday and Sunday. Some relief, too. That humidity's down. The heat warning is over. Monday, it's mostly cloudy, high 25. The chance of showers returning over Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with a good chance of thunderstorms as well. But we get a break from the active weather Friday with a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 27.